Hello guys, I am Pooja and today we'll be doing a Zara haul. So Zara ने कल ही अपनी सेल लगाई है, at least in India, और of course it is crazy and I am that person जिसने literally 2 दिन पहले शॉपिंग की थी. So कल सेल लगी है and परसों रात को ही मेरा ऑर्डर मेरे पास आया है, which can be both good and bad because Zara सेल में किसी भी चीज़ को ले पाना is a task. Yesterday I was on the Zara website for quite some time to get some extra pieces on sale, but कुछ चीज़ें मिल पाई, कुछ नहीं मिली. Anyhow, that's not the story. Today I want to show you what all I got from Zara, and I think most of the things, 99% of things, I absolutely love. So let's get started. Okay, so here is my Zara order, and it's a huge box. Honestly, इसमें सब कुछ मेरा नहीं था. There were a few things for my husband जो मैंने निकाल दी हैं already because I don't think आप लोग interested होंगे देखने में कि what I got for my husband. Anyhow, so this is my Zara box and I'm going to show you what all I have in here. Okay, starting with the first thing that I already have on, this is a muscle tank kind of a tee, and ये मैंने completely end में बस check out करने से just पहले डाली थी because it was a real good price. I think it was somewhere around 790 rupees or maybe 990. It is a great nice fabric for summer. I thought that is a great price क्योंकि generally जो trending pieces होते हैं उसमें मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं खर्चना चाहती. I know myself, I might not like it at all, and if I like it then maybe it is just for a brief second. So I thought कि 700-800 रुपये खर्चना कोई बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. And honestly, I really love how it looks. It has this broad shoulder and this kind of droopy sleeves, and it has elastic on the waist so that really cinches you in. Really nice with those straight cut jeans जो कि आजकल बहुत चल रहे हैं. By the way, if you do not know, let me tell you that वो जो हमारी skinny jeans थी वो completely out of trend हो चुकी हैं. Yeah, I have quite a few of them and I don't know what to do with them now. क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल out of trend हो चुकी हैं, I thought that I'm going to add at least one mom jeans to my collection, and that is the reason I ordered this denim. They're mom jeans and Zara पे बहुत सारे styles हैं mom jeans के भी, so you can get really confused. I was also very confused, but then I picked one which I thought that maybe it can look good on my body type. This one cost 2,790 rupees, and honestly this is the only piece in this entire haul जिसके बारे में मैं थोड़ी सी confused हूँ. So let me know in the comment section if you feel it looks good on me or not. But it is this really light colored denim. Quality is really nice. So Zara में ना denims बहुत सारे qualities के होते हैं. I have one that I absolutely love. Then my mom has one which is like really thin, which I do not like at all. This one is really nice and heavy denim. It actually feels like denim. And इसका जो ये color है ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है. Of course, this is not our skinny jeans, so this is their wide legs. You are seeing it on me, so let me know how do you like it on me. Honestly, जब मैंने पहली बार पहना तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि oh my god, ये मैंने किसका पजामा पहन लिया. But let me know if you like it on me. I am thinking whether to keep it or return it. So your help will be really appreciated. Right, so next might be my favorite piece from the haul, which is this gorgeous dress. First of all, though, I love the print, and this is coming from a person who hates print. I am not a prints kind of a person, so now I pick my prints very like I take my time to pick the prints. This one I absolutely loved. This is a black base with very tiny little flowers and leaves. I love it. It has this strap detail and पीछे से there's this elastic, so आपको जो भी अगर आप थोड़ा सा weight gain या lose भी करते रहें तो आपको बहुत अच्छा fit आएगा. And the best part about this dress is its neckline and जो slit है. It is so pretty, it's so flattering on my body, so absolutely love it. This dress was 2,990 rupees and this one is actually in sale, so you can grab this one. It is fabulous. चाहे holidays हो, चाहे just एक summer lunch out हो, this is going to look amazing. And also you can dress it up and dress it down in various ways. So I highly recommend getting this particular dress. Moving on to the next top, which is so good that I actually got it in 2 colors. It is this top right here. It scrunches here and gives this really nice not chiseled, what is the word that I'm looking for, it gives this really nice I think what I'm trying to say is that hugs your body at all the right places. It looks fabulous, fabulous on. Great piece to pair with anything. It's going to look good with your skinny jeans. It's going to look good with your, I would say, the palazzos that are going on. Even with a printed palazzo, I think it's going to look fabulous. So I really wanted a few pieces that I can actually mix and match with a lot of things. So this came in really handy, and I think it tha bhi sirf 790 and 990 ka. I think I have to move tag, I'm going to check, but all the price will be popping right here. So it was really affordable. It is complete value for money, और मैं इसे पहन भी चुकी हूँ. There is foundation stain on this which states that I've already worn it. So it's a really nice piece. As I said, I love this top too much, so I got it in black as well. Same dory cinching kind of detail, sweetheart neckline, and it looks amazing on. ये black वाला मैंने अब तक नहीं पहना है, but I'm going to take it with me on a vacation that I might be going very soon on. So the price of this one is 890 rupees, which I think is amazing for this cloth and this style. Also in this particular style na, there's another one जिसमें यहाँ पे frill है. You can get that one also. But as I said, I wanted to buy something which I can use for a lot of outfits, so I got this one. Also, if you are noticing a trend, I am actually shifting towards building a capsule kind of wardrobe wherein everything goes with each other and I can just pick up anything and wear. So ये उसी के अटेम्प्ट में मैंने सारे ऐसे कपड़े लिए हैं जो कि मुझे पता है I will just pick up and wear and I will feel good about it. So yeah. And now that I'm showing you all these things, I've realized कि मैंने I think सब कुछ black and white ही ले लिया है. Anyhow, so this is a skirt that I got from Zara. This was actually the first thing that I got, and it is so pretty. It's really nice and flattering. It has this pleat in the front, which looks really pretty, and it's really nice, simple, something that you can wear for the night, something that you can wear during the day. You can wear it with a t-shirt for a casual look. You can wear it with one of these tops for a really nice, sexy look. So there are like a million ways to wear it, and I cannot wait. So, and the price of this one was 1990. That again, it's a really good price. I know I'm going to use this piece for years, so utne ke liye I don't mind paying 1990. Also, fabric of this is really high quality. So I'm going to link this one also below. This particular color to sale mein nahi hai, but iska there's another color which is on sale, so you can check that one out as well. I will leave links to everything down below. You can check it out. Okay, last thing that I got in clothing is this knitted kind of a top. Very simple, very minimal, but I absolutely love it. So if you don't already know that knitted tops, dresses, bags, everything is really in trend. And मुझे literally ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये तो हम school में पहनते थे. I mean that time it was really in. It's back again and I cannot be happier. It is really nice. It has this button down kind of opening in the front, V neckline, which really works with me and my body type. Love wearing V necklines, and this one has that. The best part about it is not too tight and it's not too loose, so you can wear it anywhere and everywhere. I plan to wear it with my mom jeans, and let's hope that it looks good enough and I end up keeping it. So yeah, this is the last piece. And the price of this one is 1890. I think this was on sale in various color. It has a cobalt blue color as well. That is also really nice. So you can check that one out. I will leave a link in the description box. Okay, and now to the last piece of the order, which is a accessory. It is a belt that I got. So this is the belt. It has this gorgeous huge buckle, and it's a raffia fabric belt. Yeah, again is really in for, I would say, at least 1 to 2 years. So I thought of getting this one. It was damn expensive. I think it was 1890, which is too much for a belt. But you know, I realized कि मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे long वो है मैक्सी ड्रेसेस हैं एंड लॉन्ग शर्ट ड्रेसेस वगैरह है जो कि मैं ऐसे लूज पहन लेती हूँ, बट आई वुड लाइक टू हैव अ बेल्ट ऑन इट, एंड आई वाज मिसिंग दैट. और उसकी वजह से काफ़ी टाइम ऐसा होता है कि मैं वो पहनती हूँ और फिर रख देती हूँ कि नहीं यार इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, एंड मे बी आई वेयर इट नेक्स्ट टाइम. सो आई थॉट कि अगर एक बेल्ट लेने से मेरे अगले 10 आउटफिट यूज़ हो रहे हैं, so why not? So I got this. Now this is not on sale, but it has another color that was on sale, and there is this mixed colored buckle raffia belt that is on sale. Actually my mom got it, so I'm waiting to get that one as well. But if you are looking for a belt, then you can check that one out. I will leave a link in the description box below. So that is all for my today's haul. Let me know in the comment section, should I keep that jeans or not, and also are you a fan of Zara as well? And I guess that is all for my today's video. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.